Hi, welcome to 2 Minute School. Today we'll step into the fascinating world of numbers. I'll tell you some really interesting facts that will make you fall in love with mathematics. Happy learning! The number 9 is believed to be a magical number with certain very interesting properties. This is because if you multiply a number with 9 and add all the digits of the resulting number, the sum would always come out to be 9 again. In decimal system, we use the digits 0 to 9 to represent any number. These digits are based on the Hindu-Arabic numeral system and it was developed over 1,000 years ago. The lifeline of today's time, Google, derived its name from the word Gogol, a mathematical term for the number 1 followed by 100 zeros, which reflect infinite amount of search on the internet. In a room of 23 people, there is a 50% chance that 2 people have the same birthday. It is called the birthday paradox. In a room of 75, there is a 99% chance of 2 people matching. The most popular favorite number is 7. Nearly 3,000 people, around 10% of the total asked, chose 7 as their favorite number in an online poll by Alex Bellers. The second most popular was 3. Did you know that one of the most important numbers, 0, is not represented in the Roman numerals? 10 factorial seconds is exactly 6 weeks. 10 factorial, which is 36,28,800 seconds, is exactly 42 days or 6 weeks. There isn't enough room in the universe to write down the number googolplex, even if each zero was the size of an atom. A googolplex is 10 to the power of 10 to the power of 100. There are websites that will write it for you. It won't ever finish because your computer won't have enough memory. 0 is an even number, but people take longer to decide whether it's even or odd. It's not as easy for us to mentally categorize. Another mind-boggling application of maths comes in when the number 1 is divided by 9,98,001. The answer would give you a complete sequence from 0 to 999 in order. Don't agree with us? Go ahead and try it. What comes after a million? After a million comes billion, trillion, quadrillion, quintillion, sextillion, septillion, octillion, nonillion, decillion. If you divide any number by 7 and the answer is not an integer, you will end up with the sequence 142857 recurring. Check it out. You can almost perfectly convert miles and kilometers using the Fibonacci sequence. There are 52 factorial ways to shuffle a deck of cards, which is as big as this. How big is that number? If you fold a standard piece of paper in half 103 times, the thickness of it will be greater than the size of the observable universe. Some other milestones: 23 folds is 1 kilometer, 42 folds distance to the moon, 53 folds distance to the sun. Check out this infinite series. The first one sums up to 2, but the next one runs till infinity. 2 and 5 are the only primes that end with 2 or 5. The word 100 is derived from the word hundredth, which actually means 120 and not 100. There are 1,77,147 ways to tie a tie according to mathematicians. In 1900, all the world's mathematical knowledge could be written in 80 books. Today, it would fill more than 1 lakh books. Was it helpful? Did you find it interesting? Suggest me a topic that you hate in maths and I'll make you fall in love with it. Please subscribe to stay tuned. Share the joy of learning. Thank you.